In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini Live on desktop web version. Let's get you started quickly and clearly. First, open your Gemini account in your desktop web browser and sign in. Once you're in, you'll be on the web version, which is where Gemini Live appears when it's available. Keep in mind that feature availability can change over time, so what you see may vary slightly. Gemini Live on desktop is currently most stable for Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers. If your account is on one of those plans, look for a Go Live button on the interface. That's your entry point for starting a live session. If you don't see the button, don't worry just yet. There are a couple of common reasons for that. One of the biggest is rollout timing, which can differ by region. Another quick fix to try is adjusting your browser language. Gemini Live is more likely to appear when your browser language is set to English, specifically English, United States. To do that, open your browser settings, find the Language or Languages section, add English, United States, if it isn't already there, and move it to the top so it's your primary language. After you apply the change, refresh the Gemini page and check again for the Go Live button. If you're not subscribed to any plan right now, the Gemini Live option may not be visible at all. That's completely fine. You can still access and use Gemini on the desktop web version by typing your prompts. Look for the chat box at the bottom of the page, click into it, and type what you want Gemini to help with. Press enter to send, and Gemini will respond in the conversation thread above. To get the best results when typing prompts, be specific about your goal. For example, instead of writing "help with email," say what the email is about, who it's for, and the tone you want. Add any key details or constraints up front, like word count or deadline, so Gemini can tailor its response. If the first answer isn't quite what you need, follow up with short clarifying messages, like "make it more concise" or "explain in simpler terms." You can also paste snippets of text or lists and ask Gemini to summarize, rewrite, or analyze them. That's it. Open your Gemini account on the web, check for the Go Live button if you're on an eligible plan, switch your browser language to English, United States, if needed, and if Live isn't available, keep moving forward by typing your prompts directly into chat.